Sovetsingo sesiwona ishashazwe ngathi kushobile laphana eZimbabwe njengoba nibona nizozora futhi laphana nje amavidiyo nje amabili nizwele ukuthi abantu bakhona bathi okay zinganza wethu eZimbabwe kuvamise ukuba khona ne-event enkulu ebizwa ngokuthi Zimfest kahle nje abantu baseZimbabwe sebethi manjena umkulu nje wase-South Africa hayi akangalo uthi eze lapha eZimbabwe cause nina andithi nina abantu baseZimbabwe abahlala kuleli ndibakhiphe ngendlela engekho right so nje bathi hayi batshela ukuthi nabaculi benu umculo wase-South Africa akaperformeli eSouth Africa. Simanza kwethu I don't think abantu baseZimbabwe ba-fair enough cause eSouth Africa it's not necessary ukuthi kuyaliwa or some sort of but singaza kwethu people are just emphasizing ukuthi imithetho ebhale phansi ayigcini singanza kwethu akwazi bafethu ukuthi nilwele ukuthi abantu benu mfuna ukuthi babe ese-South Africa illegally ngenkani futhi anwazi uyilwela amaZimbabwe into enjalo ukuthi nifuna ukuthi abantu benu baphule umthetho ngenkani eSouth Africa because ihona point enilwelayo leyo because to abangana ama-document abahambi even naba-provider imisebenzi baningi othisha baseZimbabwe abase-South Africa. Let's be honest bangakanani uthisha abantu abafundela ubuthishela abahleli akaze kutshela nje ne-UNISA i-UNISA i-most ama-lectures awaseZimbabwe abantu bakuleli abanawo umsebenzi like ama-skills esinawo still futhi kuthathwa abantu bokufika so ithini lonto because umuntu okufika fanele eze kuleli ezoprovide iskill thina esingenaso asinabo nothisha asinabo abantu abafundela ubuthisha bakhona so singenza kwethu by the way ikhona in-superstar eZimbabwe I'm not just trying to disrespect you guys but I don't remember i-superstar nje kuthiwa nangu umculo uyi-superstar waseZimbabwe correct me if I'm wrong why nifuna ukuzincisa injabulo because labaculi laba niyabathanda sizingaze just asivele sishona kodwa lamavidiyo alamantombazane lawo sizwa ama-complain awo
kancane bayavela nangu-ke abantu nangu catch me at the Piano Republic stage at Zimfest. Catch me at Zimfest on 25 July. Ay ke. Sorry sana. Zimfest? Durban Gogo. Scots. I don't know who this guy is, but le trio at Zimfest. Ay. Very sorry. What the people are going to do is we're just going to vote with our money. South Africans must perform for South Africans at SA Fest. They must do South Africa Fest. That's what they must do. It's unfortunate that it has come up to this, but, well, we all have to do our bit to help Zimbabweans. The money that we wanted to spend at Zimfest, we have sent our brothers and sisters that are stuck in Cape Town, brothers and sisters that are stuck in Johannesburg, people that have been chased from their houses in Durban, people that are sleeping in the rain and in the cold in South Africa at the moment because of South Africans participating in March and March, people that are going door to door to remove foreigners. They don't care whether you've got a stamp that you are a visitor, whether you've got a work permit, whether you've got a ZSP. They do not care. They want you to go. And Zimfest is bringing Durban Gogo. Zimfest is bringing Durban Gogo to come and sing here for Zimbabweans or whatever she does. Play DJ, whatever.
Zimfest, you know what to do. You need to do the right thing. You and the rest of other events and other promoters that are busy booking South African artists right now, it's time for you guys to start kuchema neva no chema. You need to start hearing the people of Zimbabwe, because the people that you expect to pay the tickets are telling you that we don't want any South African artists And also to the small-minded people, I genuinely don't like people that have low IQ, because now I have to hold your hand and explain. To the people that are busy saying, we can book South African artists because we like them, blah 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 blah. The only reason why you think you like South African artists is because their people supported them and they made them look cool. So cool to an extent where the rest of the world started hotspotting that energy. If your promoters, your Zim promoters, start making artists in Zimbabwe look cool, if they start paying artists in Zimbabwe properly and putting the respect that they deserve on them, other countries can hotspot that energy. Do you get me? So you guys need to stop thinking like kids and start thinking with the bigger picture. Economically, we are actually sabotaging ourselves by continuing to book South African artists and then pay them fortunes while we are busy paying our artists peanuts. How are they gonna respect our artists if you guys are busy paying them peanuts? Also, in my life, I've never heard a South African promoter that booked a Zimbabwean artist. I've never heard that. If Zimbabwean artists are coming to any African country to perform, it's because vanenge vabhukwa nema Zimbabweans who are in that country. When do you see South African Fest and then you see Freeman performing? When have you ever seen that? But isusu tine Zim Fest, and all the South African artists are lined up. And I hate this when they are lined up on the flyer. What hurts is you guys actually put them as giants on the flyer. You put them on top of our artists. Yes, leave the fact that my eyes are in my body. I just woke up to fight, because this is something that we need to stand up for and say no to now. And the reason why I'm targeting promoters is because they are our biggest problem. They keep booking these South African artists even now while our people are busy dying in SA. If you guys start paying that money that you pay to book a South African artist, because all of you keep complaining, say we pay a lot of money, pay a lot of money to Freeman, pay a lot of money to Ngidi, pay a lot of money to Jabreza, pay a lot of money to our young artists. Use that money to pay them and see if we will not be international within a year.